Best bike for traveling long distance: KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. KTM is pushing the boundaries of adventure touring with its latest marvel, the 1290 Super Adventure R, a bike engineered to excel on long journeys. Designed for riders who demand both performance and endurance, this machine seamlessly combines raw power, advanced technology, and practical touring features, earning its reputation as the best bike for traveling long distances. At the heart of the Super Adventure R is a formidable 1,301 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers an explosive yet controlled performance. This powerhouse generates a broad torque curve, enabling smooth acceleration on highways and agile handling through challenging terrains. Whether conquering steep climbs or cruising on open roads, the engine's efficiency and robustness ensure that every mile is covered with precision and ease, making it an ideal choice for riders who venture into the unknown. Complementing its powerful engine is a design focused on rider comfort and practicality. KTM has meticulously crafted the Super Adventure R with an ergonomically optimized seating position that minimizes fatigue on extended rides. The high-performance suspension system and adjustable windscreen work together to absorb road imperfections and reduce wind blast, ensuring a smooth and stable ride even over rugged landscapes. Integrated storage compartments provide ample space for gear, enabling adventurers to pack everything they need without compromising the bike's sleek aesthetics or balance. Technology is at the forefront of the Super Adventure R's touring capabilities. A state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster displays critical information such as speed, fuel consumption, and navigation data in real time, keeping riders well informed throughout their journey. Multiple riding modes, adaptive traction control, and cornering ABS further enhance safety and performance, allowing the motorcycle to seamlessly adapt to various road conditions. These advanced systems not only boost confidence on long trips but also ensure that the bike delivers a consistently reliable performance in both urban settings and off-road adventures. Industry experts have lauded the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R as a game-changer in the sport touring segment. It redefines what an adventure bike can be, noted a renowned motorcycle analyst. Its blend of high-powered dynamics and thoughtful touring features makes it the ultimate machine for long-distance travel. With its impressive engineering, cutting-edge technology, and versatile design, the Super Adventure R stands out as a true companion for riders seeking to push the limits of adventure. For those ready to embark on epic journeys and explore uncharted roads, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure R offers the perfect mix of performance and practicality, making every ride an unforgettable expedition.